So say you want to record what's being said in a video online and you want to do some research on that video, take some notes on that video, or perhaps you want to take notes from a lecture you're attending remotely via Teams, for example, then you can do that with Glean, and I'll show you how we do that. So let's start with the video first of all. We've created a new event here, and if we drag our window to the side here, we go into our video here. We want to watch How to Make Scones by Jamie Oliver because we're trying to learn how to make scones. If we put this back to the start here, if we go to record here, we press the record options, we've got remote recording option. In this case, we just want to do screen audio. This will just record what audio is on the screen, so it just records that. So if we click on that, we have a few options here. So we can record the entire screen, and I'll show you what happens if we do that. So if we press entire screen, share system audio, and press share, then it's now starting recording, and if we press play, we are recording the audio that is on the screen now. So we're recording what's being said by Jamie Oliver here. But now, once we start that recording, we've got the option to take a screenshot here. So if we click this button, it takes a screenshot. It takes a screenshot of the whole screen here. So you can see that includes Glean because we are working off one screen. And if you're in a lecture, for example, you're attending a lecture online, you might not have two screens to work with. You might only have the one screen to work with. So it's important to kind of explain why it's important to know how to use this. So that's what happens if you record your entire screen. However, there's also the option to record your Chrome tab. So there's three options up here. You can either record the entire screen. It says you've got the option to record your Chrome tab as well, and it also says you've got the option to record a window. That actually does not work in Glean. As you can see down here, it says how to do this. Select your entire screen or Chrome tab. You don't actually have the option to use the window. It just won't work if you do that. So in this case, we tried to record using our entire screen. That obviously takes a screenshot of the entire screen, which is not necessarily what we want in this case. So if we go to Chrome tab, click the Chrome tab that we're looking for, which is this one here, Jamie Oliver, and do share tab audio, then share that. Then when we take a screenshot now, using the screenshot tool at the bottom left here, then it takes a screenshot of just that tab. It doesn't include Glean in there. And if we want to go one step further, if we full screen this, then we can, and then take a screenshot, it will take a screenshot of the entire video, which is good. So that's just something to note. If you do want to get the entire video screenshot in there, then you can do that by using this kind of little workaround to make that work. So if we stop now recording that, say you were wanting to record a Teams meeting. Obviously, if you are on Teams here, and pretend this was a Teams meeting on your right hand side here, if you were trying to record that, you can only really record the entire screen, because if you try and do Chrome tab, then Teams obviously isn't there because it's not a Chrome tab, it's Teams, it's its own kind of desktop app. You can only really use entire screen here. So we would have to click this and share system audio, press share, and then when we take a screenshot of what's on here, obviously we get the entire screen, which is maybe not what you want. So that might be fine for you. If you're happy with that, that's okay, and you can still see what is here. It won't be a massive issue. But if you wanted to record the entire screen of Teams, the way to work around that is actually to open up the Teams meeting within Google Chrome in your browser rather than actually in the Teams app itself. If we go on to our meeting invite, so say we had a meeting invite for our lecture that we were going to go to join it online, you've actually got the option to join on the web here. So if we did that, if we just copy the meeting ID here, press join on the web, it brings up this option here. We just put in our meeting ID, copy our passcode in here, and now we put that in there as well, and we press join a meeting. So if we just go cancel there, and we'll just do this on Teams, continue on this browser. So if we click that, continue on the browser, we can then watch this on Microsoft Teams on the browser. So now if we join this, and I will turn off my audio there, join this, we are now in our Teams meeting, and if we want to record that now, if we set record, go to screen audio, go to Chrome tab, and go to this tab now, and share, make sure share tab audio is on, otherwise you won't hear any audio. Press share, and now when we take a screenshot, there's a little bit of workaround, but now when we take a screenshot, it's just taking the full screenshot of that Teams tab so that you can see exactly what's on screen, which might be better for you in this case to actually record what's on the screen. If you're not bothered about that, feel free to just record the entire screen and do it that way. It's quite a bit of a workaround to get around that, so it's really up to you. But that's just kind of the caveats and nuances about recording screen audio with Glean, so just be aware of that. So that's how to record screen audio on Glean.